MediaGRIP is a time-saving tool that is waiting to be discovered. After adding it to your workflow, you'll wonder how you ever do without it. It's designed with you in mind, to save you time on cutting and trimming finished products. Here's how it works. Install the mounting bracket on your work table with 2 wood screws. Affix the MediaGRIP clamp to the bracket and you're good to go. Start by clamping down the media parallel to the edge of the table. Once the clamp is locked, you're ready to make your cuts. Start with the vertical cuts first, drawing the blade away from the clamp. Once all of your vertical cuts are complete, go ahead with the horizontal cuts. Start with the cuts furthest from the clamp and work your way in. Now you can unclamp, make your last cut, and you're done. Separating your media from the scrap is quick and makes for easy cleanup. Pre-masking is an ideal workflow for MediaGRIP. To start, clamp the roll of pre-mask and the media firmly at one end. Unroll the pre-mask and flatten it out evenly. Squeegee the pre-mask to eliminate wrinkles and provide even contact with the material. Finally, trim the excess, starting with the cuts leading away from the clamp. MediaGRIP is designed to meet your needs. All steel construction guarantees a long-lasting lifespan with minimal maintenance. To adjust or tighten the grip placement, a common crescent wrench will do the job. And with the separate mounting bracket design, it can be detached at any time. Take control of your workflow today with MediaGRIP. For more information, contact your dealer or go to supply55.com.